In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new board on Trello, step by step. Whether you're managing personal tasks, planning content, organizing a team project, or tracking business workflows, Trello boards are the foundation of everything you do inside the platform. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own board set up and ready to use. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello Home dashboard. This is where you can see your recent boards, workspaces, and activity. If you're using Trello for the first time, your dashboard may look pretty minimal, and that's completely fine. From the home screen, look toward the navigation area and click on Boards. This section shows all the boards connected to your account, including personal boards and any shared boards inside your workspace. Think of this as your board library. If you already have boards created, you'll see them listed here. If not, this is where you'll create your first one. Next, look for the option that says Create New Board. Click on it. A setup window will appear where you can configure your new board. This is where you'll define the basic settings before the board is generated. Now, the first thing you need to do is type your board title. Choose a clear and specific name that reflects the purpose of the board. For example, you might name it Marketing Plan 2026, Project Roadmap, Weekly Tasks, Content Calendar, or anything that matches your workflow. Giving your board a clear name makes it easier to stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple boards in the future. After entering the board title, the next step is to choose the visibility settings. Trello gives you different visibility options depending on your workspace type. Typically, you'll see options like Private, Workspace, or Public. If you select Private, only you and invited members can access the board. Workspace visibility allows members of your workspace to see it. Public means anyone with the link can view the board. Choose the option that best fits your needs, especially if you're working with a team or handling sensitive information. Once you've entered your board title and selected the visibility, go ahead and click on the Create button. As soon as you click Create, Trello will automatically generate your brand new board. And that's it. Your new board is now created. You'll be taken directly inside the board interface where you can start adding lists, cards, due dates, labels, attachments, automation, and more. Most new boards start with default lists like To Do, Doing, and Done, but you can fully customize these to match your workflow. You can rename lists, add new ones, drag and drop cards, and build out your system however you like. Creating boards is one of the most important skills in Trello because every project, no matter how big or small, starts with a board. Once you understand this process, you can quickly spin up new boards anytime you need to organize ideas, manage deadlines, or collaborate with others. If this video helped you create your first Trello board, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. I'll be sharing more step-by-step Trello tips and productivity guides to help you work smarter and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.